Confidence isn't a trait, it's a decision. If you lack it, it's because you've never installed it. Delete the version of you that doubts. Replace it with the one that dominates. You think your habits, emotions, and reactions are who you are. They're not. They're just code, scripts your brain has been running since birth. From day one, your identity was assigned, not chosen. Parents, teachers, culture, they told you what to believe, who to be, what's possible. And you accepted it. Because repetition creates reality. Say something enough times and your brain locks it in as truth. That's how you became you. Not by choice, but by conditioning. But here's the truth, your identity is not fixed, it's just a habit. And habits can be overwritten. This is the cognitive identity override. A psychological trigger that forces your brain to abandon its old identity and accept a new one instantly. Need proof it works? Look at Thomas Shelby from Peaky Blinders. He wasn't born fearless. He wasn't born a leader. He built that identity, with intention. He decided who he was going to be and lived it so completely that the old self vanished. You're about to do the same. For the next 24 hours, the old you is dead. The one full of hesitation, insecurity, and excuses. Gone. You are reborn, right now, as the version you choose. Your words must reflect that. Your actions must reflect that. Your thoughts must align, or be corrected. Every time an old thought surfaces, replace it. I'm not good under pressure becomes, I thrive under pressure. I'm not confident socially becomes, I'm charismatic and in control. Sound fake? Of course. That's how rewiring starts. But repeat it with conviction and your brain accepts it. Your brain runs on habit loops. Break the loop. Interrupt the identity cycle. Repeat your new identity out loud, with power, over and over. Your brain will panic. It won't recognize you. That moment of confusion. That's when you strike. That's when you insert the new code. Your brain is now fragile, impressionable, like wet cement. Shape it. Change your environment. Rearrange your room. Remove anything tied to the old you. Dress like the new you. Change your circle. Limit time with people who see the old you. They'll try to pull you back. Speak your identity daily. I am a force of confidence. I dominate with clarity and calm. I was reborn the moment I chose to be. You're not trying to be confident. You are. You're not building dominance. You embody it. Thomas Shelby doesn't hesitate. He doesn't ask for permission. He moves like a man who knows exactly who he is. That's identity mastery. And you just unlocked it. This power? It's dangerous. Because once you realize your identity was never truly yours, you can't unsee it. You can't use your old self as an excuse anymore. You'll lose connection to who you used to be. Old fears won't feel like yours. You won't relate to people who think like the old you. And that is freedom. So here's your choice, option 1, forget everything. Go back. Live the same life. Be the same person. Option 2, override everything. Become who you decide to be. Live tomorrow as the new you. Right now. Most people will hesitate.
No.
But the few who understand this, take action. They break free. So the only question left is, who will you be tomorrow?